Today we're showing you a 2012 Kubota L3800 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. The tractor was traded in locally here, has primarily been used to pull a 5-foot brush hog. You have the service records and the owner's manual to go with the tractor. The tractor's been taken care of. It's been serviced regularly. Paint's in nice shape on it. It's got 3 front weights in the front here. Ag tires are in great condition. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Rear tires here still have some of the barcode on them. They're like new. Power steering. Got the gear transmission. You got 4 gears in the center, high, low, and reverse here to the left of the seat. 3-point controls, PTO control, foot throttle, individual brakes, hand throttle up here on the dash. Toolbox back here. It does have the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch, stabilizer bars, 540 PTO. Just a real slick little tractor. It's a great size to do brush hogging or tilling, anything like that. A couple small scratches here in the hood, but overall it's a nice, clean little unit.